Welcome back to Organization and Management. And for this video, we're going to discuss functions of management. As a process, management consists of related activities which may be distinguished conceptually but are integrally related in practice. The functions of management include planning, organizing, influencing, and controlling. Planning consists of setting goals and specifying ways to attain them. Some examples of activities involved in planning would be defining the target market and setting sales target, setting cost and expense targets, and also setting profit targets. Organizing consists of ensuring that work is accomplished, and this is done by assigning tasks and coordinating them, and also allocating the necessary resources. In practice, hiring and training employees is part of the organizing function of management. There is also this activity of setting compensation or setting how much each employee would get as salary or wage. And we also have to coordinate the activities of every employee in the company, and that is part of the organizing function of management. Now, influencing is involved with guiding and directing the behavior of your employees in the attainment of the organizational goals. So you can provide a commission scheme so that you'll be able to motivate them into working harder or keeping their work up, and that is influencing. Now, controlling deals with monitoring and checking the alignment of the performance of employees to the predetermined standards. So, if managers set production quota, like how many pieces of the items or the products the employee should produce, that is part of the controlling function. Managers can also appraise the performance of the employees to do this controlling function. They have to check whether their employees are performing well based on their job responsibilities. So basically, these are the functions of management: planning, organizing, influencing, and controlling.